Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? What's going on this time, my friend? The Stellar XLM price will pumps up, but from last 7 days, my friend, as you can see here, especially from last 3 days, my friend, the price is comes down. So don't worry, my friend, because in the first November, the very big event is coming soon. The holder are completely, my friend. This is very surprise for all holders now, and those holders who have a hold, my friend, for a long time. Special surprise for these holder, not for long, not for short time investor, because short time investor, I know my friends to at the end of this month they will starting selling, but remember to this is very good news for long time investor, my friend. So in the last my friend of this month, in the last of this month, I hope they will recover this loss and they will give you a profit. This is a possibility, because if we check out, my friends, so they will continuously fails down. So I hope, my friend, today all cryptocurrencies will starting moving up, especially AMP, my brothers. AMP and Dogecoin and, my friends, Cardano. These currencies were completely starting moving upward. Also, VeChain, my friend, will starting moving upward and definitely recovering all the loss. So therefore, I hope the Stellar XLM will also recover all loss. But experts says to in upcoming time the Stellar XLM very huge explosion is coming soon in the 1st November, and, my friend, the very huge explosion will completely make you a millionaire, and there is a chance they will hit 0.5 USD dollars. So the very huge target, my friends, but this is not hard for Stellar XLM. This is very easy. I hope they will hit this target and they will give you a profit. Alright holders, so kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. I hope, my friends, you will enjoy the video, but please, my friends, the very huge explosion is coming soon, so don't starting selling, otherwise you will miss the chance of profit, because this is a very big event. I hope, my friends, too, they will make you millionaire. Kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.